internet is changing the way we live, the way we work, produce and consume. And with such an extensive reach, digital technology cannot help but disrupt some of the existing business and government models.
We are now at the threshold of a broadband expansion within the country. We have an explosion of startups which are creating new products and new technologies in all of these spaces. People have begun to adapt technology into their lives thanks to a lot of the applications that are being created by some of these startups.
We are the mobile-first country. We need to make broadband more affordable to our Indian population.
Affordability is extremely important in Indian context, and therefore this is one part is Wi-Fi in public places. The other will be, can we have some models which actually provide affordable or subsidized content to the people without violating the basic principles of net neutrality.
Connectivity is improving and it is increasing at a very fast pace. Speed constitutes a very important share in terms of customer experience, in terms of user experience.
India connects via the mobile to the internet, to the voice network, everything. So 92 or 93% of those who connect to the internet are doing so on mobile. Yet we know that the mobile network today does not really have the capacity to give another 500, 600 million people high-speed internet access. As of now, there's not enough spectrum. So what do? I think that's where the challenge and the opportunity will come in.
There will be emergence of local language apps and websites, local language content that will come on the internet.
Internet penetrates the mobile. It is going to reach audiences that are not necessarily English speaking, or at least their first language is not English. And that's an opportunity you can take advantage of if you do something about it, or it's an opportunity you may miss because you did nothing about it.
By 2020, if you ask me, this market will be advertising funded market. There will be a section of the market which will be paid. I think there will be a combination of international players, the likes of Netflix and Amazon, who will continue to make investments and make an impact in the Indian market. But there will be emergence of a lot of local niche players, provided they're able to provide interesting vernacular content or services which are exclusive to these platforms, which are at the right price point.
If you are having so many users and if they need to confidently transact as well as exchange information over the internet needs to be fast, reliable and secure.